Yes, so my people, we don't come again today. The person where they hear his voice, Nana Bikana Day, this is voice of Biafra, the voice of truth, the voice of the oppressed. Our last program here, people did too emotional. A lot of on a call from all part of the world. Some they support, some they verse, some they. But make una no do verse. Make una take time after listening. Make una just sit down, think about the whole thing, because you get what you carry for mind already. And if somebody no talk that way you carry for mind, they vex you. But that might not be how we go progress, because all of us no fit carry the same thing for mind. Anything wey you carry for mind, you come hear from other people, make you reason with the person. So today's topic is about this PVC, permanent voters card. In Nigerian election, we want to talk about, does the PVC has any election value? The PVC, for people who don't know wetin be PVC, permanent voters card, wey for Nigeria then they use vote. Because for election, everybody they talk go to get their PVC. Even for here, we been encourage people make them go get PVC. But as they finish this election, INEC still rig election. So people will go PVC say their PVC, no they count. Even INEC deliberately comot polling units. People come out to go vote, they no see their polling unit. INEC no even tell them before time, say they don't shift their polling unit to another place. So them they waka everywhere, they look for their polling unit, they no see, they go home. Meanwhile, the party in power go use those areas where they move, say and shift the polling booth, go there, go write figures, come declare themselves winner. So you see election where you hold your PVC, military go still come there, shoot people. Like wetin happen for Rivers State, happen for Kogi. Even the young man, one boy for Kogi, they say, according to this, they say he must vote for APC. The guy no agree, they shoot him. So PVC get any meaning for the election? If you carry him to come vote, they still shoot you. Say you no go, your vote no go count. So PVC get any meaning? If after you don't vote, they still write figures and that's another person. PVC get any meaning? If INEC go deliberately bring one ink pad for 2 polling units, these people go use them, these people go use them, so that they go frustrate people who go home. PVC get any meaning, any value? If INEC wey suppose come polling unit 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, go come around 4, when the place suppose come don close, when everybody don go, they come dey there, come write figures, come announce. Na why we say make we talk this program today, because we see a lot of things, because we follow encourage people get PVC, but we want to know whether this PVC really get value in actual time. When taos go come as people dey vote, wetin happen for Lagos, some part of Lagos, people dey vote, taos come there, carry polling the polling papers, burn am, police dey there dey look. Although one police officer try to stop them, the ones wey hold gun comot, because you go know say they plan the whole thing. So people carry their PVC come vote, taos still come burn the thing. So we want to know, PVC get any meaning? If all these things go happen, if returning officer they go still intimidate returning officer level, everything happen for Imo State, for Luzum, the man they cry say in the announced result under duress. So people wey carry PVC vote for somebody else, they come use result intimidate the man, say make we announce another group of another person. So if you look at this version now, you go see say PVC, it be like say e no really get much meaning. But we no go wan look am from one side, make we also look at it from other places. E get some godfathers wey no dey come back, wey don lose election, wetin dey use comot dem na the same PVC. Saraki is not coming back. The Saraki family hold Kwara State, hold them to ransom for over 4 decades. One family suppress people, no development, nothing. The people say this time around, say they go use PVC, vote them out. Anybody wey tell you say na rig, they use rig at Saraki, na lie they talk. Yes, federal government pumping money there, but Saraki don't work out. Na PVC remove am. Dino Melai, federal government pumping money, make dem comot Dino because Dino disturb dem. Dino people go carry that same PVC go vote return Dino. In fact, e get when they use ABC use Sahara Reporter publish fake results say Dino don lose. Dino dem people go collation center say instead wey this thing go happen say army go kill everybody. Dino win election. The speaker of the Federal House of Rep wey federal government wan comot, his people use that same PVC bring am back. Akpabio for Akwa Ibom State, where his people think say the man don disappoint them, they use PVC comot Akpabio. Anybody wey think tell you say they rig Akpabio and a lie. They use PVC vote out Akpabio comot. This PVC na comot Ajimobi, a whole governor. You no win. They use PVC say Ajimobi, you are not going to win Senate. All nine people because you misbehave. They use the same PVC comot Ajimobi. It gets a lot of big people. George Akume, we don't hold Benue State for how many decades? They use PVCs. People say you don't disappoint us. Despite waiting for an herdsmen they do us here, or herdsmen or bandit as in they call them now, you still they support this party. For that, we will use this PVC comot you. So my brothers and sisters, this thing no be one-way traffic. Because waiting, we do this program because they get a lot of people who don't lose hope. They say they go tear their PVC, they no go vote again, the PVC no get meaning. Yes. PVC is as strong as opposition. Where opposition is strong, your PVC is valuable. Where there's no opposition, your PVC no get meaning. So the most important thing is strong opposition. Strong opposition, they more important than even PVC. Anywhere where they get strong, say they remove Saraki from Kwara, be say strong opposition there. Say Dino people no agreement, they vote am out, be say strong opposition there. Say I comot Akpabio, na strong opposition. So no position. If you get strong opposition, where you get strong if you look at this election, the places where they rig, not those places where the so-called Boko Haram and the herdsmen they kill every day. So all those local government areas where they displace people, and there they go rig election where opposition know they strong. So now you go decide whether your PVC they strong or you know they strong. Me, my own philosophy say try and fail rather than not trying at all. So now here we go stop because of this PVC, because the governorship election still they come. We dey see say our people know the hair. Sometimes we go think whether this thing what we they do get even meaning, whether it they enter our people hair. Because despite the rigging, my brother, me, I did disappointed. Say the kind of number of people who come out for Abia, Imo, Anambra, Enugu, able to come vote. My brother, it did too small. We know they serious. Even people where they call me. So one say, he wait, he go back. I ask him, if that in the BIAFRA referendum, he go. He say, no, he go stay there. I say, the same way where they conduct Nigeria election, now they go conduct Nigeria BIAFRA referendum. If we no fit build up strong opposition as we did within Nigeria, Biafra referendum, then so they go still announce them, carry one useless international observer, give them money, you go come tell you say it is free and fair. I don't believe in making excuses. I believe in trying and failing than not trying at all. So finally, no go take because of waiting happen. Say for governorship election, you better make you kukuma stay for house. Because whether that PVC you see and say it dey good or it no get good, you go ask yourself, if this PVC no get value, why did they give you money? Why did they give you 5,000? Make you go vote. You know, say in those days, Obasanjo then they sit down, they write the numbers. Why now did they say, come, take 10,000, take 5,000, come vote? Because as we dey talk, I hear say people of Abia State want still vote for Ibas to make a return, despite how useless Abia, Aba, and everywhere they. say people, e dey for your hand. E dey for your hand. The one wey they don rig, at least the world don see. The world don see. Make dem go court. I no even trust any Nigerian court. Make dem Atiku and Buhari go their court, go sort themselves out. But I no go follow for people wey just think say PVC dey entirely useless, because we don see say PVC don remove some powerful people. And if you use that PVC, e can also remove these almost useless politicians wey we get for Igbo land. Because you know their eyes no go dey for Asuro federal level wey people wey dey loot your state dey there, go back again, go dey win election, come continue to look am, dey loot am. You no fit dey talk about Biafra when people wey no dey support Biafra na be your governors. If you no fit protect your vote while you dey Nigeria during Biafra referendum, you no go fit still protect am. So na here we go stop today. Make una no too provoke, my people. Make una no too provoke. We love all of una. Make una share this program, share and make it reach many people. People wey dey call, they encourage us, we thank you. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.
Ebe ka unu si Biafra, ebe ka unu si Biafra, gamarapu Biafra, gawe bozo gabiri, agamarapu Biafra, gawe bozo gabiri, Biafra gadi.